Allah, who is the most beneficent and most merciful. Assalamu alaikum and welcome back again in our math class. Today I am going to teach you about counting in tens and units. But before this, I will introduce you with new numbers. We will revise the previous list which we learned in the school. As you can see, here we have a list with a small flashcard of U. What does U stand for? U representing here the unit. U stand for unit. And what is unit? Till then you are writing a single number. As you can see in this list. Till then you are writing a single number that's called unit. Till then you will write the single digit that will be called unit. But when it will turn into two digits, more than one digit, then the number we should add with the unit should be called 10. I will explain it later. But first look at this list. The rule of this list is, rule of unit list is, you cannot write more than one number in this list. And every time when you will reach number 9, the unit will again start from the 0. Every time when you will reach number 9, unit will again start from the 0. Means you should again write 0 after 9. And do you know what comes after 9? Recall the counting with me. Repeat after me. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now tell me, what comes after number 9? Yeah, it comes 10. Can we write 10 in the unit box? Look at this. If we will write two numbers in this box, we should break the rule. Yes, we cannot write more than one number in this list. So we have to remove this number from this unit box. The number we should add with this will be 10. As you can see in the activity. Here you got number 10. This is the new family member in the count. Here we have an activity regarding tens and units. As you can see, here we have a house. Here we have two rooms in the house. The rule of each room is you cannot put more than one number in each room. One room is for unit and one room is for 10. But the rule is the same for this both rooms. You cannot put more than one number in one room. I am going to put some square box in the one room. Please count them after me. 1. Please count and repeat after me. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Sorry, 9. How many numbers I insert here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Can I write 9 in this room? Yes, I can write because it is a single unit. It is the single number and the rule is this. But if I will put one more box in this room, the number will jump into the 2 digit. The counting will turn into the 2 digit because now again count the boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's 10. It's not 9. So here we have number 10. But wait. Can we write two numbers in one room? No. The rule was, think about the rule. The number you should add with the 0 will go into the 10 rooms. Because after every time you will reach number 9, the unit again should start from the 0. So we will move the number 1 into the tens room. So here we have a new family member in the counting. And here we have a group of 10. Here we have a group of 10. Why I am calling it group of 10? Because each box have a pair. Like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now here we have number 10. And here we have a group of number 10. As you can see here. And the new family member is 1. New family member is 1. Now here you have 0 after 9. We should write 0 in the U box. U stand for unit. U stand for unit. We should write 0 after number 9. And here we have a new family member which will stay with each unit till you will reach number 9. We will insert the new number, new family member with each unit in T row. T stand for tens. As you can see in the board, T stand for tens. We cannot write more than one number in one box, so we should move one number into the 10 box. Here we come, start the counting. What comes after 0? Yes. What comes after 0? 1. And here we have a new family member which should stay. Till then, you will reach number 9. Here we have the new family member which you got here. What comes after 1? 2. But this family member will be same with each unit. 1. Because till then you will reach 9. This number should be stay with the unit. What comes after 2? 3. And this family member we should stay here. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. Number 9. Reading of this new number list. I will tell you how would you read this list. Now repeat after me. 1 0 10, 1 1 11, 1 2 12, 1 2 12, 1 3 13, 1 3 13, 1 4 14, 1 4 14, 1 5 15, 1 5 15, 1 6 16, 1 6 16, 1 7 17, 1 7 17, 1 8 18, 1 8 18, 1 9 19. So again repeat it. 1 0 10, 1 1 11, 1 2 12, 1 3 13, 1 4 14, 1 5 15, 1 6 16, 1 7 17, 1 8 18, 1 9 19. Have we done? It was the lecture. I hope you enjoyed this lecture. Here we have homework. You can take this homework from the Allied FB page. Here you can see you have to write numbers 10 to 19 and you have to write what comes after 10. You can get this homework on Allied FB page. Thank you.